My goodness, you won't believe your eyes when you see this astonishing architectural wonder. Have you ever heard of the most opulent temple in the world? It's none other than the Grand Mosque of Ali, nestled in Iraq. This magnificent structure comes with a price tag of over $40 billion, and the craftsmanship behind it is simply mind-blowing. Picture this. It took a dedicated team of 1,200 workers a year and a half to bring this masterpiece to life. What makes this mosque even more jaw-dropping is the extravagant use of materials. The exterior glistens with 46 tons of pure gold and shimmers with a mesmerizing 100 tons of crystal. But wait, there's more. Inside, you'll find the world's largest hand-woven carpet, spanning a whopping 5,627 square meters. As if that weren't enough, the walls are adorned with Greek imported white marble, tastefully accented with gold. This is not just any ordinary place of worship. It's one of the most visited Islamic sites globally, attracting thousands of tourists and devout followers annually. As you step inside, you'll be transported to a world of divine symmetry and immaculate beauty, where words can hardly describe the overwhelming awe you'll feel. It's a testament to the grandeur of our world. The Grand Mosque of Ali truly stands as a testament to human ambition, devotion, and the incredible potential of architecture. Now, if you ever get the chance, would you go and witness this marvel in person?